The national flag of Japan is a rectangular white banner bearing a crimson red disc at its center. This flag is officially called Nishoki, the sunrise flag, but is no more commonly known in Japan as Himunaro, the circle of the sun. It embodies the country's sobriquet, land of the rising sun. During the World War II, the Japanese took the Philippines from the control of the United States. This happened between 1941 to 1945. The arrival of the Japanese caused tremendous fear, hardship, and suffering among the Filipinos. The Filipinos' way of life was greatly affected during the period of Filipinos lost their freedom in speech and expression. Added to this was ongoing that Japanese forces have to contend with constant patrol to dig out the insurgents and then execute them. There was not enough time to establish mass entertainment and the sports to leave a permanent influence. Filipino-Japanese relationship. The Japanese introduced duck farming, raising, fish breeding. Other Japanese influence: a removing of sleepers before entering the house, bonsai planting, manufacturing farm tool, war weapons, origami, martial arts, judo, training of deer skin. Japanese influenced the Philippines. Anime and manga. Anime. Some Filipinos really like anime, so they make animes in Japan or in other countries. Manga. The Filipino also make manga because of the Japanese people. Japanese food. The Japanese food is an influence of Filipino because we have Japanese restaurants and they serve Japanese food like ramen, tonkatsu, curry, sushi, maki, and many more. Animal skin tanning. The Japanese gave us animal skin tanning. It was we skin the animals and hang it open, somewhere to make animal skin tan. Weapon. Shanai katana. Katana. It is a Japanese influence because we can also use a katana. Similarities between Japanese and Filipino culture. Religion. Many people in contemporary Japan do not have any specific religion. Religion in Japan can broadly be divided into Shinto and Buddhism. Both Shinto and Buddhism are becoming more like deeply rooted customs practiced in daily life rather than object of faith. What is Shinto? Literally meaning the way of the gods. A Japanese religion whose practice includes the worship of ancestors and the belief in nature spirit. Shinto constitutes the foundation of the sensibility of the Japanese people. Japanese emontenashi and Filipino hospitality. Emontenashi is a bit of difficult word to translate, but basically, it is a term which describes the spirit of Japanese hospitality. In Japan, hosts anticipated the wants and needs of guests in advance and offer a pleasant service that guests don't expect. Filipino are ready to invite guests to their house and treat them to a meal. Guests are entitled to the best room and bed in the house and area, provided with clothes and other amenities as needed. Animism, multilinear, datus, spirits, gods and goddesses, shaman, sacrifices. Face saving. The Filipino of regarding face saving as important is common to both of the cultures. Both of the Japanese and Filipinos refrain for the shameful behaviors and moreover, they avoid bringing shame even on others. Habits. 1. Punctuality. Filipino, sadly, when you say Filipino time, it means that people will not come at the time you're agreed upon. 6 o'clock but will really starts at 7 o'clock. Well, Japan or Japanese are also on time. When you say that you will start at 7 o'clock, you will start at 7 o'clock. Number 3. Greetings. Filipino close female friends may hug and kiss or what we call beso-beso when they greet, while close male friends may hug each other and tap their back or just by a handshake. We do not bow to each other but we smile and greet them if we see someone we know. Also, when we greet elders, we use the mano pose system. While Japanese usually bow to each other and call others by their surname with son. Number 4. Work ethic discipline. Filipino more on relaxed environment sides. Some Filipinos in workplace tend to lighten up the atmosphere by always being cheerful to others. While Japanese, more on the serious side, Japanese are known to be very hardworking as they very focused when it comes to their workplace. This is the work of Group 5. Thank you for watching.